Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. In today's blog, we are going to talk about a very common problem faced by millions of learners: how to improve English speaking skill. Many people understand English, they can read it and write it, but when it comes to speaking, they feel nervous, shy and confused. Words don't come on time, sentences break in the middle and confidence goes down. If you are also struggling with English speaking, relax. This blog is especially made for you. First of all, let me tell you one important truth: English speaking is a skill, not a talent. Nobody is born speaking English fluency. People become good speaker only after regular practice. If you practice daily in the right way, you can also improve your English speaking skill step by step. The first step is improving English speaking skill is removing fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of grammar, fear of people laughing. This fear is the biggest enemy of speaking. Remember one thing clearly: mistakes are part of learning. If you don't make mistake, you are not learning. From today, decide that you will speak English without fear, even if it is broken English. The second step is thinking in English. Most learners think in Hindi and then translate into English. This translation makes speaking slow and difficult. Start with small thought. When you wake up, think I am waking up. When you eat food, think I am eating lunch. When you go out, think I am going to work. Slowly your brain will start thinking directly in English. The third step is daily speaking practice. You cannot improve speaking without speaking. Speak English every day, even if it is only for 10 minutes. If you don't have a partner, talk to yourself. Self talk is a powerful technique. Talk about your routine, your job, your family, or your plans. Speaking daily builds confidence naturally. The fourth step is mirror practice. Stand on front of a mirror and speak English for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Look at your face, your expressions, and your body language. This practice helps you feel confident and improves clarity. At first, you may feel shy, but slowly it will feel normal. The fifth step is use English simple. Many learners try to use big and difficult words to sound smart, but this creates hesitation. Simple English is powerful English. Speak short and clear sentences. For example, instead of saying I am extremely excused, say I am very tired. Simple sentences help you speak fluency. The sixth step is improving listening skill. Good speakers are also listener. Listen to English daily through movies, web series, podcast, interviews, or YouTube videos. Listen carefully to pronunciation, sentences, flow, and common expressions. Try to repeat some sentences aloud. Listening improves speaking automatically. The seventh step is learn daily. Use sentences. English speaking is not only about grammar rules, it is about ready sentences used in daily life. Learn sentences like how was your day? What are you doing now? Can you help me? And let me think about it. Practice these sentences daily until they come natural. The at step is record your voice. Take your mobile phone and record yourself speaking English for 2 or 3 minutes daily. Speak on any topic, then listen to the recording. You will notice your mistakes, pause and pronunciation problems. The method help you improve faster because you become aware of your weakness. The 9 step is work on pronunciation. You don't need a foreign accent, you need clear pronunciation. Speak slowly and clearly. Use online dictionaries to listen to correct pronunciation of word. Repeat word loudly. Clear pronunciation make your English easy to understand and increases confidence. The 10th step is bold vocabulary with uses. Vocabulary is important, but learning word without using them is useless. Learn 5 new words daily. Write them in a notebook. Make your own sentences and use those words in speaking the same day. This increases your active vocabulary. The 11th step is practice real life conversation. Use English in daily situations like shopping, office work, phone call, or casual talk with friends. Even short conversation are helpful. Real life practice removes fear and improves fluency faster than book learning. The 12th step is control nervousness. Feeling nervous while speaking is normal. Take a deep breath before speaking. Speak slowly. Don't rush your words. Remember the listener is not just you. Claim speaking make you look confident. The 13th step is be consistent. English speaking skill don't does not improve in 1 week. You need regular practice. Practice daily even if it is only 15 or 20 minutes. Daily small effort bring big improvement over time. Another important point is never compare yourself with other. Everyone learn at a different speed. Some people improve fast, some take more time. Focus on your own progress. Even speaking one sentences confidently is progress. Always remember this line. Confidence come after speaking, not before speaking. Don't wait to feel confident. Start speaking and confidence will come automatically. Before ending this blog, I want to motivate you. English is just a language, not a measure of intelligence. You can learn it, you will learn it. Just practice daily and don't give up. Thank you so much for watching this blog. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember your English speaking skill will improve daily. Okay, goodbye, take care.